Na kwingineko, shirikisho la soka nchini kwa ushirikiano na shirikisho la soka barani Afrika CAF limeandaa mafunzo ya makocha wa makipa nchini katika mikakati ya kuboresha kitengo hicho.
And this is an elite coaching course, and it's one of the first ones in Africa, because the first one was in South Africa, and then this is the second one actually which has been brought to us. It means a lot.
Almost everyone was a goalkeeper during their time when they were playing, and they are attached to various clubs. It is important for us because as we develop the game from the grassroots, it is important for us that all departments of football are having trained manpower.
The key is education. And education in terms of football, goalkeeper is one of the important items. And Kenya really is very much aware and very much informed. And this is why I'm here representing CAF.
Mashindano ya kitaifa vyuo